This is Europe Land Toolbox's Video Tutorial 3, Tools. Let's check the tools of the Europe Land Toolbox version 1.6 together. Let's now explore the Tools section of the toolbox, specifically the Compare tools. These include the slider, the case study slider, and the Timelapse tool. We'll start with the standard slider. The slider allows users to compare two layers on the same map, side by side. In version 1.6, the tool supports comparisons even between layers that are not directly related. For a relevant example, let's compare Korean land cover 2000 on the left with Korean land cover 2018 on the right. At this zoom level, differences may not be immediately obvious. However, by zooming into a specific region, at a zoom level supported by Korean data, you can clearly observe changes between the 2 years. This makes the slider a powerful tool for identifying and understanding land use transitions. Let's examine another combination. Korean land cover on one side and tree cover density on the other. Now let's move on to the case study slider. In version 1.6, the Latvia case study is available. It includes data for 1991, 2023, and 2064. Let's compare the earliest and latest available years. You can zoom in, view the legend, and explore how conditions evolve across the supported zoom levels for this specific case study. This tool helps visualize long-term changes and scenario outcomes. Finally, let's look at the Timelapse tool. Currently available for the Latvia case study, it animates all datasets over time, allowing you to observe land use changes across the full sequence of years provided.